Pacific Building's bespoke joinery workshop, whose fabrications and expertise have enhanced numerous projects across the UK, provides clients with a one-stop service. Previously, the company would have had to source materials and fittings from external suppliers and often engage a third party to install, meaning they had limited control over quality and finish. In the hospitality sector, architects and interior designers will frequently conceive products such as furniture, fixtures and fittings which are not available off the shelf. Working with these designers, Pacific's investment in this all-new workshop means their team can develop, manufacture and install bars, screens, wall panels, bespoke storage and reception desks. These are often integrated with other materials, including marble, brass, copper, laminates, glass and acrylic surface materials such as corian. Examples of our high-end work can be seen at the sumptuous Seaton House in St Andrews, which included bar and gantry, ceiling rafts, waiter stations, cabinetry, wall panels and reception desk. The Bird and Signet Bar at Glasgow International Airport, featuring bar, banquette seating, storage areas and waiter stations manufactured by the team. The Marine Hotel in North Berwick, where we provided a feature reception desk, bar along with bespoke wall paneling and ceiling rafts. Located adjacent to the iconic Old Course, the 18 restaurant and whiskey room at Rucksacks Hotel in St Andrews incorporated the team's work on banquette seating, bar, bespoke display units and wall paneling. Finally, the Plaza Premium Lounge at Edinburgh Airport involved manufacture of a new bar, banquette seating and reception desk. The workshop team are a central part of the Pacific offering, and their work exemplifies our strengths in the hospitality sector.